Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering your materials and cutting the ear pieces. Measure and mark 2 circles about 3 inches across. Cut matching fabric lining slightly smaller. Once done, trim faux fur from the back only. Do not shear the pile on top, so the fur maintains its look. Make quick test fits over the headband to ensure size and symmetry. You want 2 identical shells. Accuracy here prevents awkward gaps later, so take a minute to double-check measurements. Now assemble each ear shell by aligning the lining with the fur backing. Apply hot glue around the perimeter and press, folding the raw edge inward about 0.5 centimeter as you go. Make sure the fur pile flows outward. Once glued, clamp or hold for 30-45 seconds so the bond sets cleanly. If you want extra durability, run a short top stitch or another bead of glue around the inner seam. This step creates the finished look and ensures the ear holds shape when mounted. Finally, position the shells on the headband about 6 to 7 centimeters apart and mark the spots. Symmetry matters for comfort and appearance. Apply a generous bead of hot glue to the headband, press each shell in place, and hold while it cools. For extra strength, sew a couple stitches through the seam into the band. Once mounted, pad the underside with soft fabric if needed and trim any stray fur. If fit feels tight, loosen the glue seam slightly and reseat the shell to adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.